In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to batch apply effects in Adobe Audition. Quick tutorial. If you've got a bunch of audio files that all need the same polish, this workflow will save you a ton of time. We'll start by building your effects chain once, convert it into a reusable preset, and then let Audition process every file for you in one go. Begin by opening Adobe Audition and heading to the effects rack on the left side. This is where you'll stack your processing, like EQ to shape the tone, a compressor to even out dynamics, and noise reduction to clean up background hiss. As you dial in settings, play a representative clip so you can hear how your chain behaves on real audio. Keep an eye on levels to avoid clipping, and aim for gentle adjustments that translate well across different files. Once you're happy, save the chain as a preset using the presets dropdown and choosing Save Preset. Give it a clear, memorable name so you can find it quickly later. Next, open the Batch Process tool. You can get there by going to Window and selecting Batch Process to reveal the panel, or by using Favorites and choosing Start Batch Process. This panel is your command center for running the same treatment on multiple files without touching each one individually. Add your audio by clicking Add Files in the Batch Process panel, then select all the files you want to process together. It's a good idea to keep them in a dedicated folder and make sure they're the correct takes you intend to use. Consistent sample rates and channel formats can help keep processing smooth and predictable. In the Batch Process window, look for Favorites to apply and choose the preset you saved earlier. This tells Audition to apply your exact effects chain to every selected file. If you don't see the preset, double check that you saved it correctly in the effects rack and that you're in the same workspace. Now decide how your processed files should be saved. Choose a destination folder to keep results separate from your originals, pick your file format, WAV for highest quality or MP3 for smaller delivery files, and set bitrate or quality as needed. For archival or further editing, a high-resolution WAV is best. For quick uploads, a 192 to 320 kbps MP3 often works well. When everything looks good, click Run. Audition will automatically apply your effects to each file and save the results in your chosen format and location. Let it finish, then spot check a few outputs to confirm tone, loudness, and clarity. That's it. You've streamlined your workflow and ensured consistent sound across all your files.